With Thanksgiving around the corner, most of us are at the point where we're starting to jot down what we want to serve. And no matter how organized we are, we often forget to put rolls on our list. Well, that's not going to happen this year, since we came up with an idea that's so darn cute, there's no way you could forget about it. We start by thawing a package of frozen, ready-to-bake Parker House rolls, or yeast rolls, on a baking sheet. Once they're almost thawed, yet still cold, we roll them into balls like this. Now, with the palm of your hand, or with the base of a drinking glass, we flatten them slightly. Then with scissors or a paring knife, we cut 6 slits around each roll so it sort of looks like a flower. We cover them with plastic wrap and let them proof at room temperature. After they double in size, we'll insert a pretzel stick in the center of each and pop them in the oven. When they're golden, serve them up in a bread basket along with some homemade pumpkin spice butter and go to town. With rolls this cute, they're going to be the talk of the table. To get the recipe for our pumpkin dinner rolls along with the butter recipe, simply check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a pumpkin-y cute way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.